Hi, I welcome you to the last lecture of section 5 and I have explained you advantages, disadvantages essay in this section. I believe you must have gone through previous 3 videos. So just try to understand conclusion effectively as well. So guys, when we are writing conclusion, I believe you must have understood this by now that there is only a minute difference between introduction and conclusion. While writing conclusion, we use two sentence structure. And in the first sentence, we are restating our opinion. So whatever opinion we have mentioned in the introduction, we are going to restate the same in conclusion as well. Then in the next sentence, we are giving crux of points mentioned in body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. So whatever points have been mentioned in body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2, that I am going to give the crux of in the conclusion itself. Now let us see how. One more thing, whenever we are writing conclusion, prefer using although, despite, while. With the help of these sentences, you can just write your conclusion in a single sentence. Moreover, although, despite and while, these three connectors and cohesive devices, these three are used for every essay type except totally agree or totally disagree. We can use this in every essay type. Now, we'll go through the introduction before writing the conclusion effectively. So, in introduction, we mentioned a major section of society is now preferring to share their credentials in order to operate various applications of techno firms. This essay believes that the demerits totally overlook the merits, as this has led to cyber crimes and online theft cases. So, what have I done? Firstly, I have paraphrased. And in the next sentence, I have given my opinion. Now, opinion is must in conclusion as well. And in conclusion, we also give the crux of body paragraph and 1 and body paragraph 2 points. So, we summarize the points mentioned in both the or all the body paragraphs. Now, in conclusion, we'll just state like such. In conclusion, although these software applications are making the life of humans comfortable. So what is it doing? It is making the life of humans comfortable and relaxed. The negatives of escalating crimes such as cyberbullying, hacking and thefts cannot be neglected at all. So as I have mentioned, with the usage of although, despite and while, we can write conclusion in a single sentence. So I have paraphrased as well. Like after going through the conclusion and introduction, you should know what exactly was the question demanding. If you can understand the question with the help of conclusion, you are definitely on the right track. In conclusion, although these software applications are making the life of humans comfortable and relaxed, so positive part. The negatives of escalating crime, increasing crime such as cyberbullying, hacking and thefts cannot be neglected at all. So this is the way we write conclusion. I believe you have understood advantages outweigh disadvantages essay properly and you are going to write it in a better manner. So please attempt the same question and do check it with the sample answer mentioned in the same lecture. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you again in the next lecture of mine. Till then, bye-bye.